Do you know how to fix green lines on iPhone screen without effort? Okay, just check this video out, and you'll find the best solution among a dozen methods. Part 1. Why is there a green line on my iPhone? Application conflicts or bugs. iOS system glitches. An electrical fault in your iPhone. If there's something at the edge of the display, water damage or external pressure, the screen display is physically damaged. Part 2. How to fix green lines on iPhone screen in 12 workarounds. Solution 1. Check iPhone for wetness or moisture. Solution 2. Increase display brightness. Solution 3. Turn off night shift. Solution 4. Turn off dark mode. Solution 5. Restart your iPhone. Solution 6. Update iPhone software to the latest version. Solution 7. Run iPhone in recovery mode. Solution 8. Reset all settings on iPhone. Solution 9. Erase all content and settings. Solution 10. Force restart iPhone. Solution 11. Contact Apple support. Part 3. How to get rid of green line on iPhone screen without data loss. No matter what kind of software problems you're encountering, there's software that can help you out in a short period of time. Well, iOS system recovery could provide you with a one-stop solution in almost all cases.